So what you see here is a Spatter dash coat and not Tyrolean. So if you've been working on site lately, you've probably seen this. Workers throwing a rough mix on the wall before plastering. Most people call it Tyrolean, but is that really what's happening here? So what you see here is a Spatter dash coat and not Tyrolean. It is very important as it gives a preparative base or finish for the plaster that is coming right on it. Now, this coat provides a rough surface that helps the plaster to bind well. Without this coat, when you plaster a block wall or a smooth concrete, you begin to see cracks, or maybe the entire plaster begin to peel off. So this bond that you're seeing here is very, very important, so that there can be a connection and a binding force between the block wall or your concrete that you have existing and the plaster that you're bringing there on it. This coat prevents the peeling off or the detaching of the plaster by providing a mechanical bonding between the wall and the plaster itself. It is usually made from a cement sand mix, often 1:1.5, and thrown against the wall using a trowel or Tyrolean gun. Once it sets, it forms a solid key for the plaster coat that follows. Now, here's where people get it mixed up. Tyrolean render is actually a final decorative finish applied after plastering, not before. What you see before plastering is a dash coat and not Tyrolean. So when next you see this on site, don't just call it Tyrolean. It is a bond, especially if it is done before plastering. It is a bond between the smooth surface, either block wall or the already made concrete, with your plastering. That's the secret, the long-lasting bonding between your plaster and your block wall or your concrete. So in case you're joining my channel for the very first time, I am Joshua the designer. I create amazing content in civil and structural engineering. Please do well to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Till we meet in the next video. Bye.